Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set the profile details in the Vinted application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the profile button at the bottom of the page on the right. And then scroll down and click on the settings button. And then click on the profile details button. So as you can see, you can upload a profile picture here. You can say a few things about yourself. You can set your location, and you can enable or disable to show this location in your profile. So once you did that, just click on the save button. And that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.